guys, welcome back to my channel, Nikki the Creator. I'm your favorite manifestation coach, making manifesting simple. Before we get started, make sure you click the link down below to coaching. Make sure you click the link down to my VIP group. That is definitely a vibe. I love communicating with you guys. So if you really want to get answers from me daily, see my lives, ask questions on the spot, that is the group to be in. And I made it such an affordable fee because I want everybody to join. All right. So now today we're going to be doing the 2 success stories. I promised this would be the video. Previously re-recorded it and now we're on it. So let's just talk about the 2 success stories from 2 of my clients. And the reason why I'm reading 2 of these is because they both use 2 different methods to saturate their mind, but they both got what they wanted and they actually got it really quickly. And so this is what I want to teach you guys, that you make the rules, and whatever you decide works for you is going to work, because the law is that whatever is your dominant thoughts, whatever you assume is what you'll have. All right, guys, so let's read this story. All right, guys, let's jump right into it. So first client, she said, "Hey, Nikki, I'm writing to say that everything happened like I wanted it to. My boyfriend went from wanting to leave me to wanting to be around me all the time. I'm so happy and I'm so excited. I am no longer anxious about him or around him, because I did the self-concept work you told me to try. I just want to say thank you for being so real and patient with me. It was definitely a major boost to continue to persist to get what I want. P.S. All I did was affirm in a loop, flip negative thoughts, and sometimes I visualized." So the parts of this that I want you guys to pay attention to is what they said they did. All right, now let's jump into the second client. Okay. "Hey, Nikki, this is just a quick update because we're working towards my full manifestation, but this one was too good not to email you. So I got the job that I wanted. I now get paid 6 figures a year doing what I love, and literally I was jobless just a month ago. I affirmed a lot and I had a strict mental diet. Everything unfolded so quickly." All right, guys, and let's talk about it. All right, guys, so let's talk about it. One client got her SP to change. One person got a job. It's all the same. Manifestation is perfect. They got what they wanted. Even though the second one is working towards something else, which is personal, I won't talk about it unless she shares a success story, which I know she is. But if she says, okay, we'll go forward. But she got the job. She went from no job to 6 figures a year. Other one went from her boyfriend not wanting to speak, nothing to do with her, and now he's all on her. Right. One affirmed, visualized, mental diet. One affirmed and literally just flipped negative thoughts, or you get the point. They did 2 different things, but they got what they want because they decided what works for them. And this is what I'm teaching you guys. If you want to affirm, go ahead and affirm. If you want to script, go ahead and script. If you want to do mirror work where you talk into the mirror and tell yourself stuff, go ahead. The point is to saturate your mind. However you choose to saturate your mind is up to you. Now, do not get me wrong. Saturating your mind with affirmations is very powerful because affirmations are just your thoughts. It's not a technique. But for some people, that's not what they want. They like visuals. They like art. They like music. I actually follow someone on TikTok where she manifests her life through music. So not only does she write music, but she listens to music that talks about love and uplifting things. And she literally, when that music comes on, just immerses herself into the scene, connecting it with visualization. That's what works for her. So the reason why I'm so proud of them is because when they first came to me, they were telling me I was doing all of these techniques and it wasn't working. First, it wasn't working because you're saying it's not working. But second, it wasn't working because you do not need to do all of that. I told you guys that. Stop overthinking it. You make the rules. Imagine that you're a king or queen of your land. You get fresh land, you get fresh people to rule, right? Not calling them puppets, just imagine like a queen or king. You have to sit down and on a scroll, write down what's going to be the laws. Okay, cool. What's a great law to have? I'm a master manifester. Okay, that's a great rule to have. I'm mastering manifesting. That's a good rule to have. Manifesting is so easy for me. Great rule to have. Everything comes to me in less than 24 hours. Everything I desire comes to me in less than 24 hours. Some base rules, all right? Then you can go into different areas. Like, okay, what rules do I have for love? Oh, I don't have to do anything but the guy always pursues me, or the girl always pursues me, or I always meet rich men. I always meet rich women. That's what I mean. Oh, anything that I do prospers. Any school that I apply to, I get. Any job that I get, any job that I want, they keep calling me and I don't have to apply. You can make it as cool, as simple, as basic, as out there as you want to. The point is to pick what you want and saturate your mind with that. And that's what they did. She decided that if I visualize and if I flip my negative thoughts and if I affirm, then I'm going to get it. She got it. The other one decided if I affirm and just, mental diet, have a strict mental diet where I don't do anything opposing, where I don't listen to anything opposing, I don't read anything opposing, whatever, I don't search, then that's going to work for me. And that worked for her. Assumption, the law is that what you saturate your mind is what you make an assumption, what you dominantly think is what will begin to unfold for you. However you get that saturated into your mind is on you. Now, don't get me wrong, affirmations are not a technique, but they work because you're already thinking words and sentences and phrases and conversations, right? But some people are actual visual learners, so maybe visualization. Some people love writing, and so they script. Those are just technique, though. It's not the technique that's powerful. It's you putting power into that technique. Always remember that you're that power, putting the energy behind that technique. Because if you decide that you never want to script ever again, does that mean that you're never going to get what you want? No, unless you say that. But no. So remember, you can have anything you want. You are infinite. You are powerful. Anything is possible. You can have anything, guys. Just remember that. You hold the power. And so if you really want to do coaching with me, click the link down below. I love helping you guys step into your power, get your shit. And I'm Nikki the Creator, and I'll be back.